Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is x is equals to 5 root of 2 plus square root of 3 to find the value of x to power of 20 plus 1 over x to power of 20. In the first step, from this equation, we have x is equals to 5 root of 2 plus square root of 3. And next step, we raise both of this equation to power of 5. So this to power of 5 and this to power of 5, and it will be x to power of 5 is equals to, in here this will cancel this, and we have 2 plus square root of 3. So we let this as equation 1. And next step, we reciprocal both of the equations, so it will be 1 over x to power of 5 is equals to 1 over 2 plus square root of 3. And next step, we rationalize this fraction. So for rationalize, we multiply numerator and denominator by this conjugate pair. So it will be 2 minus square root of 3 and times 2 minus square root of 3. So in here it will be 1 over x to power of 5 is equals to, for numerator, 1 times this, we have 2 minus square root of 3. And here this is in the form of a plus b times a minus b, and it will be a square minus b square, right? So in here it will be 2a square is 4 and minus the square root of 3a square, it will be 3, and from here this is equals to 4 minus 3 is 1, and it will be 2 minus the square root of 3. So x to power of 5 is 2 plus the square root of 3, and 1 over x to power of 5 is 2 minus the square root of 3. So x to power of 5 plus 1 over x to power of 5 is equals to 2 plus the square root of 3 and plus 2 minus the square root of 3, right? And here this will cancel this, and it will be x to power of 5 plus 1 over x to power of 5 is equals to 2 plus 2 is 4. And next step, we raise both of this equation to power of 2. So this to power of 2 and this to power of 2. And it will be x to power of 5 to power of 2 and plus 2 times x to power of 5 times 1 over x to power of 5 and plus 1 over x to power of 5 to power of 2, right? Is equals to 4 to power of 2 is 16. And it will be x to power of 5 to power of 2, it will be x to power of 10, plus, in here this will cancel this, and we have 2, and plus 1 over x to power of 5 to power of 2, it will be 1 over x to power of 10 is equals to 16. And here we take this to this side, and it will be x to power of 10 plus 1 over x to power of 10 is equals to 16 minus 2, it will be 14. And next step, again, we raise both of this equation to power of 2. So this to power of 2 and this to power of 2. So it will be x to power of 10 to power of 2 and plus 2 times x to power of 10 times 1 over x to power of 10 and plus 1 over x to power of 10 to power of 2 is equals to 14 to power of 2, it will be 196. So it will be x to power of 10 times 2 is 20, and plus, in here this will cancel this, and we have 2, and plus, in here 1 over x to power of 10 to power of 2, it will be 1 over x to power of 20 is equals to 196. And next step, we take this 2 to this side, and it will be x to power of 20 plus 1 over x to power of 20 is equals to 196 minus 2, it will be 194. And we want to find the value of x to power of 20 plus 1 over x to power of 20, and this is equals to 194. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.